downstairs the bounce house.
It'll be too shaky. Lainey, you just wake up.
Yeah.
You did.
I like to see the bunnies outside.
You want to see the what?
I just like to see the balloons outside.
Oh, the balloons? You like those balloons?
I want you to come in the bounce house to make a video of us.
It's upside down.
Waiting. Are you coming in?
Can I do what?
Can you put more balls outside?
More balls? All the balls except for one are in. There's the last one. Here. It's in there already. The purple one's in there. No Crocs, no shoes in there. Alright, you can go jump now.